wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, they know. So I'm trying to set my camera so you guys can see exactly what's being done while I plant these. So just bear with me for a second. So I'm gonna plant these lettuce, the gourmet lettuce blend, inside the gourmet lettuce blend starter. So again, I want to mix the fertilizer in.
It's a good dish. It's a really good dish.
And I'm going to pour a couple of these seeds in my hand.
My signature dish is arancini.
So you can see. So I took about this many. And I'm just going to sprinkle. And I didn't even use all of them. So I used about half of what I had in my hand. And as you can see, it's a lot in there. So I'm going to put the rest of these back inside my pack.
Deep fried? Yeah. And then a beautiful sauce to go with it. You can stuff them with anything. I mean, meat, with cheese, with peas. And then there's soupy al telefono. They have mozzarella inside them. And when you break them open, it stretches back and forth, and that means the telephone line.
So they're really tedious. Not tedious, really small. And it's tedious to put it back in the pack. So I got half back in there. I just poured the other half inside this container. And I'm just going to move it around. My family's coming in, so excuse the noise in the background. So that's how that one's gonna go. Next, we are going to plant cucumbers. So I'm gonna pour. I got 3. And this is how they look. And I'm going to mix the mixture.
You want more. He said you want more. What's your bag of that?
And then I'm going to 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to slightly cover them. Slightly push them down in there. You don't want to push them too deep. I'm going to set that on the bottom shelf. So now we're going to go and move on to the Swiss chard. Mix it up. I also use potted mixture soil to start these plants. And these seeds are kind of big, so I'm going to show you how many I use. Talk to friends on the phone. I stroke. Oh, well, that's kind of big, but they're not that big.
Honestly, I really don't know why you're bothering, because she's going to be here. Okay, thanks. Bye.
So I'm just going to take about this many, and I'm going to
Just drop them randomly
Kool-Aid, form it, and then fry it.
in there. And just slightly cover them with dirt.
It would be quicker to do it that way. Oh god.
Did Bobby just rape her? I can't believe it.
And that one is done. And we're going to put that one down there.
Off Botanicals provides a plant-based, worry-free mosquito protection for the whole family.
Okay, last but certainly not least,
S.C. Johnson.
we're gonna get to the kale.
I'm an actual neuroscientist. Behind Neuriva Plus. Unlike ordinary memory supplements,
And
Neuriva Plus fuels 6 key indicators of brain performance. More brain performance.
mix the mixture up.
Neuriva, think
Kale is kind of small, so I'm gonna use
From day one,
quite a bit of seeds, as you can see.
and this is my journey. I found a way to do
And where's my trusty fork?
that's 2 times a year. For adults with relapsing or primary progressive forms of multiple sclerosis, Ocrevus is proven effective in reducing relapses.
Papa, I don't know, Mommy.
Progression of dialysis and illness.
Yes, I know. Ugh. A lot on the door. She got some corn parties and a cooking you think it.
Okay, that's all mixed good. And I'm just gonna sprinkle them all around in there. Lightly cover them.
Sorry, MS.
You don't get to control.
Every part of me.
I see some Papa.
Like so.
To about 2 times a year, Ocrevus.
And I take this pot and I'm just gonna sit it right in there where all the light is, so it can start growing healthily.
Like this.
Just like that. And a little water bottle.
No, you're not getting nothing like that. Alright, well, you're not getting nothing. You can't have nothing. No, you're not having none of my water, no.
Just like that. A little bit of water. And I need a bunch. Couple of squirts.
Why
And
ain't
you're
you good
good for the day. Just leave it just like that. You don't want to over water it. Couple drops. Couple sprinkles. And there you have it. They're all planted.
Mama, you just make a whole
And
mess.
then
Mom, you just
about
make a
a
mess.
week or so, I'll be back to make another video. So you guys can see how
Papa,
it's growing.
Mama gotta clean the mess up.
And over here,
Mama,
I got my kale and my green mixture.
Mama, do mine.
So,
Take a picture of mine.
see you guys later.
Mama.
Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda.